Rushing through the pipes, they come in strong, fixing leaks and clogs all day long, with ratchets and wrenches ready to fight any plumbing problem, morning, noon, or night. From sinks to showers, they'll save the day. Double A Quick, the clever way. Affordable rates, you'll never fret. For plumbing woes, they're your best bet. Double A Quick, they'll get it done. Fast and flawless, second to none. No drip too small, no pipe too tough. With Double A Quick, you've got the right stuff.
For over 55 years, Double A Quick has been proudly serving the community with fast, friendly, and affordable same-day service. And we're just getting started. So don't wait. Call us today at 314-429-7131. And hey, tell them Jim sent you.